Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to soft reset your headphones RHA True Connect. To soft reset your headphones, just press and hold both multifunctional buttons on your headphones for at least 7 seconds. Cool. And now it automatically connected to our phone. It should automatically connect it, but if it doesn't, just click on your headphones and it connected. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.